Hi kids, today you will learn about different jobs around the world. Watch the video carefully and find them out. 1. She is a scientist. She is a dentist. He is a musician. He is a pilot. He is a mechanic. He is a football player. He is a doctor. She is a farmer. She is a nurse. She is an artist. He is a gardener. He is an astronaut. She is a police officer. She is a vet. He is a chef. He is a cook. She is a hairdresser. She is a teacher. He is a carpenter. He is a firefighter. Did you find out what your favorite job is? What would you like to be when you grow up? A police officer? A doctor? Or a teacher? Maybe a scientist? Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our channel and keep learning.